Hi everyone, get ready to be amazed because today we are diving into some of the most incredible wooden creations you have ever seen. From smart design to pure craftsmanship, these ideas are truly next level. Wood is more than just a material, it's an art form. And when creativity meets skills, the results are mind blowing. Imagine a simple piece of wood turning into something both useful and beautiful. Sounds cool, right? Well, let's check out some of the most brilliant wooden inventions out there. First up, we have functional yet stylish wooden decor, whether it's a wall shelf, a cozy handle holder, or a unique mark stand. Wood adds that a warm and rustic touch to any space. And the best part, it's a handmade. But wait, there is more. How about clever wooden gadgets? Some of these designs are not creative but super practical. Think of a multi-purpose storage, compact furniture, or even mind-blowing wooden puzzle. These are not just decorations, they are smart solutions for everyday life. And let's not forget custom wooden gifts, a beautifully carved clock, a handcrafted jewelry box, or a one of a kind wooden calendar. These are the things that you never go out of style, timeless, durable, and full of charm. So, which of these wooden wonders did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love creativity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing ideas. Stay creative, stay inspired, and we will see you in the next one. If you like this type of ideas, then don't forget to share these amazing ideas with your friends, with your families, etc. And I hope you will subscribe and will wait for our next ideas. Thank you for watching.